Terminology of thermodynamics part 3rd. Open system. An open system is one which can exchange both energy and matter with its surroundings. For example, a beaker containing water, the system. In a thermostated water bath, the surroundings is an open system because the water vapor matter will escape into the surroundings, whereas the heat energy required for the vaporization will be absorbed from the surroundings. Thus, this is an example of an open system. Let us consider another example which involves the reaction between zinc granules and dilute hydrochloric acid taking place in an open beaker. The hydrogen will be evolved, which will pass out from the system to the surroundings. At the same time, the heat evolved in the reaction will be transferred to the surroundings by radiations, etc. Thus, this involves exchange of matter as well as energy between the system and the surroundings. It means that it is an example of open system. Homogeneous system. It involves only one phase and its uniformity can be revealed under high power microscope. For example, a gas, a mixture of gases, a pure liquid, two miscible liquids, etc. Heterogeneous system. It involves two or more phases separated from each other by interfacial boundaries. A liquid in contact with its vapor is an example of heterogeneous system because it consists of two phases. Another example is a system consisting of two or more immiscible liquids or a solid in contact with a liquid in which it does not dissolve. Macroscopic system. A macroscopic system is one in which there are a large number of particles, maybe molecules, atoms, ions, etc.